Making a professional presentation usually takes hours. You start with content, then struggle with slide structure, layout, design, font, and visuals. And even after that efforts, the final result still may not look professional. Now imagine creating a complete, well-structured and visually polished presentation in just a few seconds. This is exactly what WorkPPT AI makes possible. WorkPPT is a browser-based AI presentation platform that helps you create a professional PowerPoint presentation instantly, without installing any software and without needing any design skills. Let me show you how it works. I am on the WorkPPT dashboard. It is clean, simple, and so easy to navigate in it. To create a presentation, go to AI Presentation Maker. Now click this Create a Presentation with AI. Here, as you can see from this option, you can either upload a file like TXT, doc, Excel, PPT, PDF, image file, anything, or simply type your topic on which you want to make presentation. All you need to do is enter the subject of your presentation right here. I simply enter a topic. For this demo, I will use the topic Future of AI in Business. After entering the topic, WorkPPT asks me to select a presentation template. This step is important because the template decides the overall design style and structure of the presentation. WorkPPT offers a large library of professional and model templates. These templates are suitable for business presentations, educational content, academic work, startup pitch deck, and personal projects. No matter what topic you choose, there is a design style that fits perfectly. You can see here business, marketing, food, animal, nature, technology, whatever you want. I choose the professional technology style template that matches my topic of AI. So select the style you like and the tool will automatically apply it to your slides. Now I click on generate. You can see within few seconds, WorkPPT AI creates a complete presentation. It automatically generates the title, slides, introduction, key section, structured content, and visually balanced slides. Everything is organized clearly and the design already looks presentation ready. Instead of starting from blank slide, I now have a fully prepared presentation that explains the future of AI in business in a logical and professional way. Now let's look at customization. I open one slide from the generated presentation. Just like Microsoft PowerPoint, I can add the text, change font, adjust colors, modify layout, and update design elements. Everything is editable and easy to use. This means WorkPPT gives you the best of both worlds. AI creates the presentation for you and you still have full control of customize it exactly the way you want. Once your presentation is ready, exporting is very simple. You can download your presentation as a PowerPoint file, export it as a PDF, or even save slides as images. This makes WorkPPT look fully compatible across different devices and platforms. Whether you are using a laptop, tablet, or mobile device. Now let me quickly show you another way to create presentation. Instead of entering topic, you can upload a document such as PDF, Word file, text file, or even paste the website link here. WorkPPT AI automatically reads the content and convert it into a structured presentation. This is very useful when you already have content but need slides quickly. Apart from presentation creation, WorkPPT also includes useful AI tools. On the left side of dashboard, you will find several useful features. The first one is AI Chat. This works like a built-in assistant that you can talk to anytime. You can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, refine your content, or get instant writing support. Next comes AI PDF. This feature allows you to update any PDF file and manage it easily using different tools. You can combine multiple PDFs, split pages, add watermarks or stamps, convert images into PDF files, or even change PDF pages into images. That's great. After that, there is a AI summarizer. You can upload a document, paste a website link, or enter text directly. and AI quickly review the content and convert it into short, simple, and easy to understand summaries. This is extremely useful when dealing with long articles, reports, or documents because you get the key points instantly without going through everything line by line. All these features are available inside one single platform. So, why to choose WorkPPT? Because it's fast, beginner friendly, and professional. You don't need design experience, you don't need multiple tools, and you don't need to spend hours creating slides manually. WorkPPT is perfect for business professionals, teachers, students, startups, and anyone who needs high quality presentation in less time. There is also a free version available, so you can try multiple AI features before upgrading. To sum it up, WorkPPT is not just presentation maker. It is an all-in-one productivity platform that helps you to create, edit, and manage presentations and PDFs effortlessly and efficiently. If you want to save time and create stunning presentation, then try WorkPPT today. The free access link and discount details are available in video description. I hope this tool will be beneficial to you. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who actually needs this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.